Hello friends, I am going to show you my segment on mathematics which were given by the Vikas Kesari sir. So let's start. Before starting, I would like to introduce myself. I am a student of Montfort School Ambikapur, which is in the state of Chhattisgarh, uh, and my name is Vivek Kumar Gupta. There I am studying in class 10th standard, and my roll number is 47. So this segment is guided by Vikas Kesari sir. He had given us some question from the topic of trigonometry, so I have put it here the topic as trigonometry. So the first question which he have given us from the topic of trigonometry is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, which is divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We have to prove this to equal to the tan theta. So our first step will be to we have to take LHS. LHS, which is equal to the sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, which is divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So after here and the next step will be our sin theta, which will be multiplied to the 1 minus 2 sin square theta, which is divided by the cos theta, which is multiplied by the 2 cos square theta minus 1. At the numerator and denominator, from the numerator we took out the sin theta because their sin theta is common, and from denominator the cos theta is common, so we took out the cos theta. So our next step will be sin theta 1 minus 2 in bracket 1 minus cos square theta bracket close divided by cos theta, which is multiplied by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So as we know that sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, so here we have done that only, and in the third step, and in the second step we have not done anything, only we have took out the common values which were given in the numerator and denominator, and in third step we convert it in more simpler way to took out the solution. So next step will be here at the numerator we equate all the values. So in the next step we will get this sin theta, which is multiplied to 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is divided by cos theta multiplied to cos square theta minus 1. So here in the numerator and denominator 2 cos square theta minus 1 is common, so it will be the it will be cutted down, or we can say that it will be divided by themselves. So after that we will get the cos theta upon sin theta upon cos theta, sorry, we will get sin theta upon cos theta, which is equal to the tan theta. Hence we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. So the second question which were given by the Vikas sir is sin a plus cos sec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square, which we have to prove equal to the 7 plus 10 square a plus cot square a. So the solution is taking the LHS side, which is sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. So opening the whole square of these two, we get of the first bracket that sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a plus cos square a in the next bracket cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a into sec a. Here the brackets close. After that opening the brackets we and making the pairs or making the pairs through that through the trigonometric identities. So the first pair will become that sin square a plus cos square a. Then the second pair will become from here is 1 plus tan square a, sorry second pair will come from here, that cos square a, and third pair is sec square a. So his trigonometric identities is that the trigonometric identity of cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a, and the trigonometric identity of sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So putting these values, and also we know that cosec a can be also written as 1 upon sin a. So and here in the second step, sec a can also be written as 1 upon cos a. So putting the values of cosec a and sec a, we get the third step. So the next step, after the equating the third step, we get here from the first pair we get sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So we put here the 1. From sec square a we get the 1 plus tan square a, and from cosec square a we get the 1 plus cot square a. So adding that both one from the second and third pair we get 2, and equating the rest of the things, we get next the values, and here this is the last step, and at last we get 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Here by mistake it has written, this has written, sorry for that. Sorry for that. This now the third question which were given by the Vikas sir is, if sine in bracket sine into 1 a minus b is equal to half, and cos into a plus b is equal to half. Here cos is equal to a plus b has to be written. By mistake I have written this. So find a and b. So let's start the solution. If sine a minus b is equal to half, then sine a minus b is equal to sine 30. As we know that the value of sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So we mentioned there, and in second step we get this, and in third step a minus b, both the sides sine is common, so we cross out it and we get the a minus b is equal to 30. It will be our first equation, and in cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2, then cos it's the first step, and in second step cos a plus b is equal to cos 60. As we know that the cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and in both side in second step it is cos, so we cancel out it, and in third step we get a plus b is equal to 60 degree. It will be our second equation. Equating this both the equation, we get a is equal to 45 and b is equal to 15. Here we get this, you can see, and at last thank you to everyone.